Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, we'll learn about the CSF circulation. What is CSF? CSF is a cerebrospinal fluid, which is a modified tissue fluid contained in the ventricular system of the brain, subarachnoid space and spinal cord. It is formed by the choroid plexus, which are cells of the lateral ventricle. Now, let us look into some structures through which CSF flows. Ventricles of brain are the spaces within which the CSF circulate. There are two lateral ventricles, a third ventricle and a fourth ventricle. The lateral ventricles are connected with the third ventricle via interventricular foramen. The third ventricle is connected to fourth ventricle via cerebral aqueduct. The fourth ventricles have three openings, two foramen of Luschka and a foramen of Magendie. Now, let us look into the circulation of CSF in detail. The CSF from the lateral ventricles enters the third ventricle via interventricular foramen or foramen of Monro. From third ventricle, it enters the fourth ventricle via aqueduct of Sylvia or cerebral aqueduct. From the fourth ventricle, it enters the subarachnoid space through two foramen of Luschka and the foramen of Magendie. From the subarachnoid space, it enters the arachnoid villi and from there into the superior sagittal sinus. So, this is the circulation of CSF from lateral ventricle to third ventricle, then to fourth ventricle, then to subarachnoid space, then arachnoid villi, and finally superior sagittal sinus. Hope you find this video useful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.